Take your pierogies to the next level with my cracked chicken pierogi casserole. Start by placing the cooked chicken in a large bowl, then adding the Alfredo sauce and the ranch dressing. Then add your cooked bacon bits and your green onions. Stir everything together to combine, and then add in your thawed pierogies and a cup of the shredded cheese. Then stir everything together, and then prepare your baking dish. And then place your pierogi mixture inside of the baking dish. Top with the rest of the grated cheese and the panko crumbs. Then place in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.